Hello students, good evening to everyone. This is M. Bujjibabu, working as a chemistry lecturer in Vignan Cooperative Junior College, Vatlamudi. So in previous video, we discussed the properties of the chlorine, like chemical properties and physical properties. In this video, we have to going to learn another particular topic that is known as oxo acids of chlorine. So once we look at the contents what are present in this video are, first one, oxo acids of halogens. So halogens able to form different types of oxo acids except fluorine. Remaining halogens that are chlorine, bromine, iodine able to form four types of oxo acids. And next one, oxo acids of chlorine. In this video, we are going to learn about particularly oxo acids of chlorine. Generally, chlorine able to form, there are four types of oxo acids that are hypochlorous acid and chlorous acid, chloric acid and perchloric acid. And finally, structure of oxo acids of chlorine. So after knowing the names of oxo acids of chlorine, it is necessary the structures of the oxo acids of the chlorine. Oxo acids of halogens. So what are oxo acids of halogens? In 17th group that are 17th group elements are known as halogens. In that halogens, except fluorine, fluorine able to form only one type of oxo acid. In case of chlorine, bromine and iodine able to form four types of oxo acids that are known as oxo acids of chlorine, bromine and iodine. So due to the high electronegativity and a small size, fluorine able to form only one type of oxo acid, but in case of chlorine, bromine, iodine and are able to form four types of oxo acids. So these are all known as the oxo acids of halogens. Generally, these oxo acids of halogens are not isolated in pure state, not isolated in pure state, not isolated in pure state. So generally these are all known in the form of the solution, in the form of the solution or in the form of their salts, the form of salts. So most probably these are unstable, they are not isolated in a pure state, but they can be known in the form of their solution or salts. So here our assumption is to know the types of the oxo acids of halogens. First one, HXO type, and second one HXO2 type, and third one HXO3 type, and fourth one HXO4 type. These four type of oxo acids applicable only for chlorine, bromine and iodine. As earlier I mentioned, fluorine only able to form one type of oxo acid because of small size and due to high electronegativity. So rest of the fluorine in the 17th group are halogen. Remaining elements that are chlorine, bromine, iodine are able to form different types of oxo acids that are like this: HXO, HXO2, HXO3 and HXO4. Oxo acids of halogens. Generally, fluorine able to form only one type of oxo acid, but in case of chlorine, bromine, iodine able to form four types of oxo acids. So look at the table. Name of oxo acid, name of oxo acid, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. First type of oxo acid is hypohalous acid, hypohalous acid, and second type halous acid, and second type halous acid, and third one halic acid, and third one halic acid, and fourth one parahalic acid, and fourth one parahalic acid. So this indicates MXO type, this is MXO2 type, this is MXO3 type, and this is MXO4 type. So in place of M we can also HXO, HXO2, HXO3 and HXO4. So come to the, in case of fluorine, it able to form only HFO, and the second type and the third type and the fourth type are not formed. In case of chlorine, HClO, HClO2, HClO3 and HClO4. In case of bromine, HBRO, HBRO3 and HBRO4. In case of iodine, HIO, HIO3 and HIO4 and HIO4. So there are four types of oxo acids: hypohalous acid, halous acid, halic acid and parahalic acid. So in case of fluorine, it is able to form only HFO type of, that is HXO type of oxo acid, because due to the large electronegativity and a smaller size, fluorine able to form only one type of oxo acid. In case of chlorine, chlorine form four different types of oxo acid: HXO type, HXO2 type, HXO3 type and HXO4 type. So this is HClO, hypochlorous acid, hypochlorous acid. And second one chlorous acid, and second one chlorous acid, and third one chloric acid, and third one chloric acid, and fourth one perchloric acid, and fourth one perchloric acid. So it is similar manner in case of bromine, hypobromous acid, bromic acid, parabromic acid. In case of iodine, hypoiodous acid, iodic acid, periodic acid. In case of bromine, this is hypobromous acid. This is bromic acid. This is bromic acid. This is parabromic acid. This is perbromic acid. In case of iodine, this is hypoiodous acid. Hypoiodous acid. So this is iodic acid. This is iodic acid. And finally, periodic acid. Periodic acid. So these are all four types of oxo acids of halogens. So four types means hypohalous acid, halous acid, halic acid and parahalic acid, HXO type, and second one HXO2 type, and third one HXO3 type, and fourth one HXO4 type. And finally, structures of oxo acids of chlorine. You know that very well. What are oxo acids of chlorine? There are four types of oxo acids. Hypochlorous acid, first one, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. HClO, hypochlorous acid HCl. So in this central atom is chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. So what is the electronic configuration? Neon 3s2 3p5. That means chlorine belongs to 17th group. It contains 7 valence electrons and its outermost orbital. Therefore here 3s contain 2 electrons. P orbitals are 3, 4, 5 electrons. This is 3s, 3p. So the structure of the ClO like this. ClOH. It contains 3 electrons. It undergo sp3 hybridization. 3 lone pairs present. 3 lone pairs present and sp3 hybridization. The shape is linear shape. Linear shape. So this is the first oxo acid of the chlorine, hypochlorous acid. This is the structure of hypochlorous acid. Shape is linear shape. So here undergo sp3 hybridization. It contain 3 lone pairs in structure. And second one, chlorous acid. And second one, chlorous acid. Chlorous acid HClO2. Chlorous acid HClO2. Electronic configuration neon 3s2 3p5. 3s contain 2 electrons. In case of P, 5 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3p. This is a ground state configuration. It undergo first excited state configuration. First excited state configuration. What is happen here? 3s orbital, 3p, and next 3d. D orbitals are 5. D orbitals are 5. So here contain 2 electrons. Here contain 2 electrons. So in first excited state, one of the electron excited to next d orbital. Actually P contain 2 lone pairs, but among these two, one of the electron excited to next 3d orbital. Therefore here also it contain 2 lone pairs. It undergo sp3 hybridization. The unpaired electrons are able to form in bond formation. The structure of the chlorous acid is like this. HClO2, ClOH. 2 lone pairs are present here. This is one lone pair, this is another lone pair. HClO2. So these unpaired electrons are able to form in bond formation. HClO2. 2 lone pairs are present. So what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. It having angular shape. Angular shape. Come to the third one, chloric acid. Chloric acid HClO3. Chloric acid HClO3. So ground state electron configuration of chlorine is like this. 3s, 3s2 3p5. 3s contain 2 electrons. Here 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It undergo second excited state. Then the electron configuration like this. D orbitals are 5, 3s, 3p, and 3d. So in s electrons contain 2 electrons, s orbital. So come to the second excited state, these two electrons are migrated to next 3D. Therefore here contain this type of electron configuration. Therefore here also undergo sp3 hybridization. The structure of this one ClOH, it contain one lone pair. The unpaired electrons are able to form in the pi bond. HClO3, it gives like this structure. So what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization, and the shape is pyramidal. Shape. And finally, fourth one, chloric acid. Its formula HClO4. Here we take third excited state configuration. 3s, 3p, d orbitals are 5, 3s, 3p and 3d. In third excitation, here this electron also goes into the 3d. So this is a second excited state configuration. In third excitation, one of the electron from 3s orbital migrated to 3d. Therefore, so what is the configuration here? No lone pairs are present. The structure obtained like this: ClOH. These unpaired electrons participating in pi bond formation. HClO4, 4 oxygen atoms. Hybridization, sp3 hybridization. This is completely tetrahedral shape. No lone pair of electrons. It is completely tetrahedral shape. So these are all the structures of the oxo acids of chlorine. So in first one, hypochlorous acid. In among 4 types of oxo acids, chlorine contains same hybridization, that is sp3. In first one, hypochlorous acid, 3 lone pairs are present. In chlorous acid, 2 lone pairs are present. In chloric acid, only 1 lone pair is present. And finally, low lone pairs are present. What are the shape? First one, linear shape, angular shape. Second one, for third one, pyramidal shape, and fourth one, tetrahedral shape. So this is about the structure of the oxo acids of chlorine. So once I recall what we have discussed in this video are especially oxo acids of halogens. Except fluorine, remaining halogens are able to form 4 types of oxo acids, that are HXO type, HXO2 type, HXO3 type and HXO4 type. So the main assumption is about oxo acids of chlorine. There are 4 types of oxo acids of chlorine: HClO, HClO2, HClO3 and HClO4 and their structures. Okay, thank you very much.